Headnotes and digests are tools available in Westlaw and Lexis to help researchers find cases related to specific subjects. Case reporters, the print volumes in which cases are published, pull out the legal rules and significant facts in a case and summarize them. These summaries are headnotes, which help researchers to figure out what legal principles appear in a case and connect those principles to other cases covering the same topics. Those headnotes are then organized into a digest. Digests basically organize headnotes into a giant outline, allowing you to browse or search cases by subject in an organized way. These subject areas will lead you to a list of relevant headnotes, and those headnotes will connect you with the cases on point for that legal rule or significant fact. This will give you a targeted but comprehensive set of results. One important fact about headnotes and digests is that neither are primary material. They are secondary materials created by Westlaw and Lexis. So while they're very useful tools, you should almost never cite to them. For now, let's assume you have a topic, but no good cases on point. We're going to start in Lexis. Lexis's digest is called the Topic Navigator and is located in the Explore box under the Topics tab. In the screen, you can either search the topics or browse within them. One of the biggest advantages of digests is that you don't need to know what terms someone else used to describe your idea before you get started. Browsing may actually get you better results than searching. We're going to take a look at contracts law. As you can see, you have several more big picture ideas on the topic you selected. You can use the plus and minus signs to delve deeper and get more specific. We're going to look into contract formation and what constitutes acceptance. Here, you'll see a number of narrower topics. If you click any of the links, you'll be taken to the cases on that topic. There's one other important thing to note here. See the document symbol beside Meeting of the Minds? This means that Lexis has prepared a topic summary report. In addition to being able to click on Meeting of the Minds and see all the cases related to that subject, the topic summary report will give us a great, quick snapshot of that subject, including definitions, elements, standards of review, burdens of proof, and a list of seminal cases and secondary sources on that topic. This is useful because it puts all the information in one place and tells you which sources are likely to be the most important ones to start with. Topic summary reports are unique to Lexis, and not every subject will have one. Now let's look in Westlaw. West Digest is represented by the golden key symbol and is called the Key Digest. Westlaw's digest tends to get more granular and specific than Lexis's, which means that you can often find sets of cases on relatively narrow topics. To access the Key Digest, click on the Key Numbers link under Content Types. Notice that you have a lot more subjects represented here, over 400 options to choose from. Let's select Contracts. Notice all the different options you have. We're going to look again for Acceptance and click on the plus sign to the left side of your selection to show us more options. If we wanted to view the cases related to any of these subtopics, we could click on the link and navigate to those results. However, some subjects can get even more specific, such as communicating acceptance of an offer. Let's take a look at the necessity of communicating acceptance. Notice how, in just a few moments, without doing any searching at all, we've already narrowed our field to a little over 200 results. Next, we could limit to only our jurisdiction, and we're likely to end up with a narrow, easy-to-manage group of results on our topic. We could also search for keywords within these result sets by using the Search Within Results box. Headnotes also serve an important function in helping you find relevant sections of the digest. We'll talk more about using headnotes to expand your search results in our One Good Case Method video. For now, just know that headnotes appear before the main text of the case in Westlaw and Lexis. With each headnote is a map that will indicate where that headnote is located in the digest. You can click on any of the digest subjects to be taken to the place in the outline where both your current case and other related cases are grouped. Clicking on these relevant links is a great way to find sections of the digest that are the most relevant to your question. Digests are one of the most powerful tools that we as researchers have to find cases that are relevant to us quickly and efficiently. If you have any questions on this or other subjects, please ask us.